Hi, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This is the only channel that can make you rich overnight. In this channel, you'll actually attain your million, billion, trillion dollars dream in the Forex synthetic market. Actually, what you're seeing right here is real. I see this is a real account, but we don't talk too much. We are trying to help a lot of people in the world, especially Africa and some European countries, even US, though Deriv is not allowed in the United States of America, but some of them that have VPN can join. Actually, this is very simple. That's what we call drop, the trader rollover program. The strategy is installed now. You can get the strategy, drop strategy, how to turn $1 to any amount of dollars in a short while, in a fewer time. All you need to do is to join my Telegram channel. When you join my Telegram channel, then you will have to either join the VIP signal, drop signal group, where we drop these signals on the trader rollover program, or you buy the strategy. The strategy is very cheap right here. It's just $150, while the VIP is one-time fee of $200. See, this is huge money. This is huge money. You have to do this. Think and remain successful in your trading. You are in the opportunity right here to recover your losses. It's not easy. For you to make it in life, you need to pass through someone. Many people are powerful. Like there are people that are gods. Human beings are gods. Have you seen God before? No. You need someone to be rich. Start changing your life. Bye for now.